Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to manage the autoplay function in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. And now once you are in this page, you should look once again at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it and you will find here the autoplay option being the third one on the list, and you can just activate it or deactivate it with a single touch. So this will basically, if you enable it, will allow to play the next episode automatically. Now if you don't want that to happen, you just have to press on it and deactivate it just like that. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.